Hi, my name's Steve. Birds, birds, birds. Birds are amazing animals. Let's learn about birds. Birds lay eggs. Baby birds hatch from the eggs. Birds have wings. Birds can fly very fast. Birds have beaks. They use it to eat. All birds have feathers. Feathers are soft. Feathers keep birds warm. And feather helps birds fly. There are many colors of birds' feathers. Look at the parrot. What do birds eat? Many birds eat worms. One special bird is the ostrich. It has a very long neck. Birds are special animals. They even make good pets.